Beneath the moonlit surface of the ocean, a mesmerizing spectacle unfolds, a dance of bioluminescent jellyfish. These ethereal creatures illuminate the dark depths with their own natural light show. Jellyfish, often misunderstood, have evolved to produce light through a chemical reaction in their cells. This bioluminescence serves various purposes, from attracting prey to deterring predators. As night falls, these gelatinous marvels transform the sea into a magical realm. Their pulsating, radiant displays not only enchant but also play a vital role in marine ecosystems. They're a reminder of the intricate wonders hidden beneath the waves, where science and nature converge to create living poetry in the depths of the ocean.